One phone call it take to make some of them wipe off a earth and drop down flat. None of them can't talk in my face. Because empty barrel make nice and Marcia. You wanna nobody, you wanna nobody. Empty barrel make nice Marcia. You wanna nobody, you wanna nobody. One phone call it take to make you wipe off a earth and drop down flat. You can't talk in my face. You come out, you run the place and you can't talk in my face. Empty barrel make most nice people sit there. Empty barrel. Curly, me here say me not have what you have and me not this and me not that. You have all right for you have more than me. I have 40 years in America, Curly. But one thing me know you can't do this and beat me. Look at Curly. Each one of them back here all over about $78,000. Based on how much $10 in a one. See them there? All of them full. Innovative way of saving. I mean I buy none of them have to save. I just change what I get from shop Curly and I just give back silver. See the Curly and them I will forever hear. Cause hungry people can't save you know. Cause if a man a save and him have one of this before it even full and him hungry him start yam it out. You understand? And see the Curly. And as long as me live I'm in the position I'm in right now, the stock on never get bigger. And this we call retirement Curly. You understand? You save towards retirement. Save towards having something in life, and that's what you not do. You can't go nowhere in your house and show me so much coins or money. Why do you see you find a couple diamond quarter in your bag and immediately you see you have to go spend it because you're broke? Look at Curly. Me no live in America. See there? The way they stock did big pan this, me forced to go up my US account about 4 months ago. And I just last month me take up about 400 out of it and can go put in the account because me no want it too much yes so. See there? A decoration me have them here for Curly. See them there? I went last week me get them $3 a Curly. See there? 150 note. See there? Yeah, see them the Curly 20 note. See them the Curly. Do this and beat me Curly. Which point of your house you have money throw down? So every time you see you go in your wallet, it'll be a $1 jump out. Do this and beat me. Never fly yet. I mean, no, you don't have so much US dollar throw down nowhere in your house. Not even in your handbag. See it there? And suppose you did see the amount where you did before them start save.
Move your bum buckler.
Marcia, watch ya. Unreach. Watch mango Marcia. Unreach Marcia. Unreach mango Marcia. Look. See it? Pick one Marcia. Pick one. See the wormy mango them here, Marcia. Pick one. Look at you. You're coming like a broke buckle Marcia. You're broke. See there? It's like a broke buckle. Welcome back my beautiful people. Welcome back. Speak my mind in entertainment. What's up? One Nation family. What go on at the place? On the weekend so far. When you done cook the soup already? I don't know, you know. Back in the days, I stood a soup day. Yeah. Saturday is normally a soup day. Wednesday, soupies day. Monday, you call Monday Sunday Monday. You know? So, what go on? Soup done already? What kind of soup cook? Red peas, pumpkin soup. What go on? What kind of soup cook? Anyway, my people, you don't know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And just hit that thumbs up. And just remember to watch the ads. And as you all know, please remember to subscribe to the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. You understand? The link will pin in the comment section. And also it will be in the description. So, just watch me the link. And just hit on that subscribe button. And subscribe to the channel. Family oriented channel. Life is a Mission TV. Anyway, my people, this is like a continuation of these, you know, wretched, nasty, ranchy peoples that sometimes we have around us and our circles and our surrounding, who sometimes we think they are friends. Sometimes some of them fall in the category of family and relative too. Because it's not only the one them say them are friends. Enough of them fall as relative and family, and they are nasty, ranchy, wretchy, grudgeful, jealous, bad mind. You think of all those things where you is concerned, there is to you. And to all them project themselves, you want to feel like, okay, yes, they are with you. They're under your arms, under your wings. So they are this close to you. When down in your so, them not have your so. Up your so, them not think about you like that. Them a think on the other side, which is to turn you over. Because you're supposed to be like this on your foot, you know. See your back here, you know. See your foot here. So what them want to do now is turn it over on your back. You know, because most time, you know, if you're on your back, you know it go. You can't manage yourself. And this is when most of them come close to you, Fido. Turn you over on your back. And then pretend all the way. If you take them a year, 2, 3 years, if you get this close on your wings to do what them want to do, they are going to do it. This is a continuation of showing you how much Kakai Curly, you know, never with AD from morning. She did just see the success with AD they gonna have in social media, the strong followers and backative that AD they gonna have in social media, the power of our platform, what it can do from what it can do. And she was just trying to come and get a hook on AD so she can get some support from the platform, because she see where the platform can do a lot. And remember, that was just the early days, but she see it clear. You understand? So she did try to get a hook, but deep down she never with AD. So it's so good, and God is so great and good in life too sometimes. That's why we have to acknowledge Him every step of the way. Every day we have to acknowledge God. Whether things are going for you at the minute or not, we have to acknowledge Him. When it's not going for you, I just know our time will come soon. And if it's going for you, just continue to acknowledge Him. Don't stop acknowledging Him to going for you now, because remember, it takes 10 years to reach the top of the ladder. And it just take a split second to come back down. So you have to continue to acknowledge Him. You cannot be ungrateful to the Lord Himself. And same like how enough of them people are ungrateful to human beings who treat them in a certain way so good. The same way them ungrateful for Father God. I want to listen to Kakai Curly so, and tell me what you think. If this girl here, can be them not call her no woman no more or no girl, you know, was ever having any clean heart towards AD. After I hear the video when I post yesterday with her talking about the cake and how the cake tastes and for cake this and she get constipated and whatsoever. Uno tell me in the comment section with this follow-up video if this woman did have any form of clean heart against Auntie from day one. None at all. So let's get along with the show, people, because it's not going to be long.
Marcia, what Marcia say about the donation. Good night.
Oh, this same video was a video that I was telling you about, that I find on Lorraine do this video and play about Marcia, and Marcia repost it. And just to prove to Uno and show Uno the whole situation, how them aside and a gang up and a plan up, that's why I'm playing it from Lorraine platform, because I could have do the video from Marcia platform, the original video, but I choose to use Lorraine platform and do it. So listen out and listen how Marcia comes out in this video, just actually the same way or worse how she comes out with the cake video, talking about the taste of the cake and how she was just being hypocritical. When a listener tell me if she have a clean heart from day one against Auntie. Yeah man, because them coming like one of them out this football team with their England. We continue to spend one bag of money and buy one bag of players for a team when they are going away. You understand? One bag of money before them try revamp and come again. So listen to them. Because join them, I join up, you know.
Cartoon. Good night, everybody. We bet this go and play. We go and listen what Marcia say about the donor, The school girl.
Escalate the situation and talk about me say me a big deal. The woman a yard dep on social media and she a rich woman and she still carry on people and beg $1 million for school fee. Don't give her one blood clot in a school fee. Poor people. A trick. You think that she'll collect $1.5 million and the girl will get it for herself. $1.5 million. She said she done with charity. And she still about she collect money. Collect money for what? And they want to send money and she go collect money and something she'll get half $1 million. And nobody know how much I come to Western Union.
This is the same Kakai Curly. Where did I run in a AD? When she book a hotel for AD. Because she a buy friendship. Because she see the power of the Planka Nation. This is the same Curly. I say what she has said now, you know. All them time there, you know the same thing AD did I do. What she do different now from what she did do back then. When you want her friendship. So, this goes to show me to the people who don't have to look out for the people them we talk about them and friends in our surrounding. And not only say friend, family and relative also. Because she only stop short, yes so now, you know. And further down the video, you're going to hear more. She only stop short from saying the woman a thief or the woman a scammer. As well, the same set of people them we are player but no on them platform have been saying from day one. So she a scammer. You understand? She only stop short from saying so. You go say the woman a rich woman. So why she want this and she want that? What that riches have to do with you? What that riches have to do with charity? You further down you talk about this I give money and that they give money. When you hear Leachin get up and him give away $20 million, you think that come out of Leachin pocket? That not come out of Leachin pocket. Them man the ties are so strong that they call the associate for any form of thing that them have want to do, donate or them want to build a computer center. Them just take up them phone and them say, John Issa, I want $2 million. John Issa Dave now ask why, because I don't know say it's some form of charity. Mr. Matalan, I want $1 million. Matalan now ask why. And them use them associate and business partner to gain that 20, 30 or 40, 50 million that them want to put towards that specific project. So you feel like say Leachin or Adam Strat or the whole of them, when they hear them give you how much millions of dollars, you feel like them just go in a feed them pocket. Is it that them have a foundation where them gain money from, where them set up for certain purposes, or them call their associates? Simple how it goes. But woman for go in her pocket take up one. So if she get go in her pocket and take up 1.5, 1 million, 500,000, 300,000, she not go turn papa and come right back to nothing at all. And instead she dep on top of the gully who cuss her about every day. And in the gully she go find herself. If you come kin no Kinney Borough and a lieutenant and stitch in a family. Where? I'm gonna use some of your whole for toothpaste and toothbrush you have and brush your dirty mouth. And me you come to her? Sorry about that my people, you don't know. But they close to the gate and somebody just a pass on, you know? But back to the story.
And so anybody a beg, go ask them about begging. My supporters come and support my gala and give and support and buy my sheet and my curtain. Them come on social media and I play them trickery. And I beg in a silent. And I do them things in a silent. None of my supporters, no woman ever support her and give her nothing for nobody for no school fee. Yeah. Them should have known so they have their money before them start go to lie Dr. Indian and Chief.
Alright.
You understand? With them, Jamaica don't have the loan. Jamaica don't have the money in the bank. Eh?
But none of your supporters, if your supporters are genuine supporters to you, they would not be supporting Planka Shop. They would not be supporting any word cause that AD do. So you don't need to tell your supporters that, because the same supporters who you are telling not to support, they are not supporting you. And it's a fact. It is evidence and nothing we hide. So it's not necessary you come out and tell them don't come over here, come support. You ever say the woman a beggar? If she's a beggar, she's a different from a beggar from you. Because you get up every day and begging personally for yourself. You understand? She's begging to better off somebody's life who can't afford to take a step forward in life. Just before I even do this, just before me come on this video, you know, for do this video, you know, me come across a video, you know, because me telling you, you have an acute way of begging lately. Because the regular way you show up, so you get an acute way now, you come and beg like you beg on a joke, or you beg for give. We, YouTubers and bloggers, content for run with say you beg. And me know, whatever you come and say, you acutely beg, if you forget it, or subscriber to call you or supporter to call you and say, okay, I'm going to contribute to your Marcia, I'm going to buy you the tank of gas. You not refuse it, you take it. And if it's a joke you run, forgive we things you run with, you would have refused and say it's just a joke. But you're going to take it. But it's just an acute way of begging about, you know, my car is an E. Who can buy me some gas? Who want to fill my tank? Like you're smart. So when AD beg, she beg for people, the less fortunate. She not beg for put in her pocket. She not beg for herself. Up to today, you can't hear nobody come out, come say their money missing. I just a couple weeks ago, AD carry one money where she get for one man. Where she get for the man who on the back of public, that's why living at the school. How long AD have that money there? And you see how the man get it? She have one other money where she have for nearly a year and had. She deliver it. So up to today, you can't call her name and say, boy, she take this, she take that, she take that. So when you come going like you want to paint a picture, like the woman is a criminal, keep that to yourself. Your begging is a different begging. Your begging is to your personal gains. So you know, come out and come going like you want to mix people with you. You understand? There's a difference between wild hog and tame hog. You understand? There's a difference between wild goat and tame goat. So you're a different beggar. You're a beggar that beg for yourself. The simplest thing you want, you beg it. And come and beg it on a decal way, on a style. Like you're giving bloggers and YouTubers something to run with when you're dead serious of what you're asking for. Because if you forget it, somebody will call you and say I'm giving it to you. You're not going to turn it down. So AD is a total different person from you. You wanna come and talk about she are the biggest beggar in her phone and she's a this and she. Yes, she's a beggar, but she's begging to better off someone's life. To better off society. Where how much only they are foreign every day and criticize Jamaica. Third world country, on the ban, you not do nothing towards helping the situation. Because if you don't sit down and foreign, we're not a first world country, and you can't help somebody. When you go talk about them, figure work, them figure this, them figure that. If somebody have a 3-year semester for do, getting a law degree or something, if them even go, they go sell little something, it might not turn the money as fast enough. It might not turn the money where them want. Over that 3 year, how them are going to manage? So what them do? Them put them pride aside and them comes out. And this is all me said to happen. There is too much people in the world, especially, let's talk for Jamaica now. Too much Jamaican both locally and overseas. We have millions and billions of dollars. We all 50 years from now, no care what happened to them, that cannot finish. Because most of them are investors and investing the money in the right and proper way. And I am saying, if me find myself with money like that, there is a lot of circumstances and cases in Jamaica we would have to reach out to. The only thing I can't know, as I said earlier on, you can't reach out to everything. So what I would have done, I would have set up some form of foundation. You understand? Just like we you see Leeching and some of the artists them set up. So when cases arise, what can be proven that it's real, it's no hanky-panky, it's no scam, it's no prank. I'm saying needy cases out there, because there's a lot of needy cases that touch me heart sometimes. I'm sorry, I can't help. When cases like those arise, I am willing to step out with my foundation to assist. Too much millionaire and billionaire living in the country. For some people want a little money to finish all them college. Them last year at college or university and can't get it. For culprit like Unia come talk about sell this a market, big yam and banana and this and that. You don't know how much it takes from a student from no financial background to go through law school, to go through, to be a doctor in the medical field. You know how much it takes? And just because you don't have the same ambition as these kids and these people. This is the reason why I want to talk like this. Because the ambition take them where they want to go, you know. Despite not have the financial, don't have the financial support. Them ambition is pushing them and giving them this drive with the help of God. You understand? And them start somehow, somewhere, somehow. But them know within the middle, if Father God not create a miracle, they would have to reach out to the public. So they might condition their mind for the second or the third year when things not turn the right way to reach out to some form of organization, platform, or the government. But you try to beat down and binicle people like these, and you see them once they are foreign and talk about Jamaica and third world country. You understand? Yeah, man.
Eh? But they want also over poor people. Eh? Is that so? So what make sure take out some $1 million and give to the girl? She not rich. Well, that is it. When you're rich, you come on social media because somebody a millionaire. All I come in who get rich off of social media. But they just take out $1.5 million and give to the girl. Like how being man.
That's your jealousy. Because you're in a social media how much years and can't do what you do. I never get rich over social media. And that a mad, you know. And that a drive, you know, crazy. And that a go to all kind of different sickness. Tuberculosis, phalosis, alosis, arthritis, footritis, headache, bellyache, backache, front ache, all kind of ache. All crutches ache you get sometime. When you sit down and see how much she have achieved. But she never do nothing out of the way to achieve it. It's just the love of her heart and the kindness and softness of her that win the hearts of the people. You understand? Yes, man. If only did cleaning on yourself, from the time I not see social media, the same thing would have happened for Uno too.
Them and bounty killer them and them people Alicia's them and them people we are giving money. That's what she's supposed to do.
Bounty killer and Beanie Man and all of who you talk, them have a foundation. Them don't go solely in them pocket at all times and take up and donate. They set up a foundation. So that foundation, they get the support from the people that support their music and their associate. So whenever the needs comes up for them to donate, the foundation do it. You understand? So if you don't understand the role of a foundation, go check it out. NCB Foundation for this, NCB Foundation for that. Who own NCB? One of the richest man in Jamaica. Leachin. And you hear it name? NCB Foundation for this, NCB Foundation for that. That is what these rich people do. This is what these millionaires do. They set up foundation. They don't go solely into them pocket. When you have these big hardware and liquor store and big businesses, when you see them come out and them say them are donate to a need, a already cost, where you think the money come from? Not solely out them pocket. These guys who own these big liquor store, when them come out and say, how you think them get it? Them just write one letter to the managing director, Ray and Nephew, one to the managing director, D&G, and all the people, them Grace Kennedy, where them spend them big money with. And say, watch, I have a project where I want to deal with, you know. Whatever you can do, you know, do it, you know. And if it comes in cash or kinds, it comes. So if it comes in the product that the people them manufacture, it comes that way there. If a cash it need, them send whatever them can send. That is how the foundation set up. So then, but I think being a man and bounty killer, them going to them pockets solely and surely at all times. It comes to them foundation that's supported by their supporters, their business associates, and other people. Yeah, done said you.
Supposed to come for asking if you had to run marathon. If she rich. So when you not talk about begging, you have to look at that. Come here, come to split justice.
Right.
Me come on social media and asking, you know, to buy my business. to support my nice, to support my dream.
Right.
For me is a queen of entertainment out here.
Right.
And them a fight against me. But them now watch that to see how people come and beg. I beg money to go give girl to go to school.
So they wicked.
Girl can't go sell her pussy on the back road. I put
You can go do the same thing too. If you achieve a chuck of gas, you can do the same thing.
to them blood clot. I said to my supporter, don't give one pussy clot money to that solar yard. Make we stay poor and blessed. You understand? Take that blood clot and put now in the belly and name it. You understand? And come by on a shit.
You can't stop nothing from happening. Night I catch me people, night. So it's back when I get dark.
Like a blood clot riffraff. If you come for fool or no. You understand? I'm looking out again and then they can blood clot brag and boast. You understand? I have too much vehicle and I put too much expensive furniture in the house. And then come a brag for who the America struggle for who the America struggle who the clean pussy clot shit. He said Tam junk Tam no blood clot fool. You understand? Use in the brain. No trick we not go on boy.
No, come.
You understand? Use in the brain people. Who no want money? Who no want no Dubai? Who no want no Paris?
So the same Curly, you know, we want friendship from AD because of our platform. Come now criticize the platform. She got tell us say she was playing hypocrite at the time, a long time. She knows that she a scammer. But she just want to be a part of the scamming. Must that she come say now too. So let's hear what she have to say.
Clot money at night time. Me go over YouTube now, not a blood clot I wanna. I come live. Then I will left you now in the night time. One pussy clot at 1 o'clock in the night. I will be a keep them company. So why me not deserve the help? Why me not deserve them come by 2 little shit from me? Coco.
Not true, you know no life to live, man. And no man no want you. That's why at this minute and this hour, after one you can dip on YouTube and search to see who they live and to nobody in the live is a problem to you. The people them left the platform for you is a problem. But if them never left it, it's still be a problem. Look at you. Eh?
Got me for a roof, I would not call poor. Poor way. Me a blood clot rich girl. Me rich in a love and rich in a blessing. Cause suck on a pussy clot self and backward from ya. And leave me and my supporters them alone and love me. And Gala is still gonna be running said way. And my supporters them is gonna support me. Whether I want a blood clot like it or not.
Let's see, Marcia, let's see.
Pussy clot live.
Support the thing. Right this up.
Yeah, man.
Support.
Now the arm she run up in her.
Support Marcia.
People me now moving her right as me I done that video. Me now get up a turn on a light now, nothing. People are the video in the dark, wanna see my face every day. So night catch me right as or right as so just listen to the audio. Simple as that.
Why? She did a good job. She already published to the Star. Them want give her them money, them lucky, right?
So if the young miss in a good job, look what people in a better job than she. We are going search of them goal and still a beg. See your friend Marcia, she keep something which she never have to keep, you know. You understand? But she come out a beg. She keep a girl where she have to rent a big land because she not look out for nothing massive. But she rent a big land and come out a beg. This girl here, I got do something where I cost millions of dollars. Not thousands, millions of dollars. Couple million well. You understand? She working and to suffice her daily living and maintenance. What if she have to pay rent? You understand? Not to mention probably for Barbados she have to go finish her law degree or whatever because enough time enough of them fly go to Barbados. None of us know because I don't really hear the whole story. You understand? It takes money. So with a good job or no good job, she going to need money. She going to need the assistant.
But on the support Marcia, yeah.
And the longer, the further it goes,
next week
the
Saturday,
more it
wow. Time flying. And next week Saturday is our special day, right? Support her. Let us support her. Evil again, evil if you don't
do it yourself. Now send nobody come do it. Come and listen to your video. I mean, no say me are threatened. Me know say a Tina Trini are threatened and a Lorraine are threatened. You understand me? This is America.
Yeah, man. You know you and you know a Tina Trini, you know a Lorraine. You just a search your allied if you come back here. Continue, man. Continue. And I mean, she attack, you know.
Freedom of speech. We not play
I don't know if I
blood
the
clot
doctor, but I know
around
I'm
here.
still.
We are defend ourselves as social media this. Are you bomber clot start it? Me hear the threat where you make your blood clot look your woman you have strength for. Only pussy have
Sound like
strength
I
for you have
doctor,
strength
no
for
me.
dicky. You understand? Back where your blood clot from here, so boy you are threatening people. Anything do me, make sure say something I do you too. My pussy clot word. If every money I have to draw to my blood clot bank account and me give strict order to certain person. Anything bomber clot do me, make sure say my blood is on your pussy clot shoulder. Because me hear the threat where you threaten people today. You're not threatening me hear it. I mean I come test social media. Anything happen to me in a Connecticut, New York City or anyway, you doctor lover you do it. Because you here come out by your page. And things say your blood clot wise. I use a bomber clot dance. You dance the pussy clot, you can't even pronounce the word. And your bomber clot a copy go workless or whatever. If you think
I say no money in the account. Where? You can't do America so long and probably they have $120,000 in your account and I talk about money. Whether 120 or 30, that's money. For the America so long. You should have looked to retire now. In a one nice house with a locally or in another Caribbean country or even in America under your own roof at your age and the age where you go America and the America come and talk about big deal. Big deal and have nothing, man. Check all like big deal people, them have something.
me I give stranger harder. So take this pussy clot right now. Me say me not even family, because my family, my blood
Switch
clot.
come on and extreme people come out a bit more time and I like. And I come to the end of the video soon. I'm going to decide to move. I'm going to go turn on the light.
Me hear you send threat. And I go on like you not send threat. Enough time you threaten me. You threaten me when me I go to Canada. Go about your business and go do your music and go do what you do and leave my blood clot alone. And you set your dirty pussy clot and come bother me. And 2 years now you...
I want to know, man, say you don't have a dollar. Go ahead. You broke like a buckle like when I show you in the early part of the video when it start. You can do America 40 years and you can't come up with $150,000 in your account. I bet you win and $150,000 in your account. Move!
That nerve a grudge me for my blood clot gala. And a grudge me for my pussy clot sheet and a grudge me for my pussy clot personality on social media. Who you? I threaten people over them blood clot pussy. Or you want to come cuss people?
I lie. Every day she come and say, Dr. Love, I check now. I say, Dr. Love, you didn't look her. I wonder if you didn't send private message to her. But me not think so, Dr. Love. Because if you didn't send private message to her, and I look around and look like the Tony. You understand? If you really want to look like the Tony and send any form of private message to her, to how you deal with her and she go like she hate you. Me know she should have exposed that the private message a long time, like how she exposed Leisha breakfast when she get in the morning one night. Yes, she should have exposed you. So me not think you really look her. She just feel like an over herself. Say, you know, you have a little thing going with her because you need her. But me not think you need her.
Over them pussy. Me a bomber clad woman. Me know how to articulate. Me have the talent. You have fear. Go.
You know how to articulate? And you have not proven that in phone? Okay, sorry. Sometimes when the mind speak to Uno alone, not the public.
Me work on yours. Me work on mine. You understand? Me ain't nobody. Your pussy clot nobody. You're there on social media over 20, 40 pussy clot years. Your bomber clot video can't even go 20,000. Go and check the ratio. You're not a star. Me know say any blood clot they me cut a record. My record is going to reach more than where you reach.
But you're there on social media too, we not see nothing like that for you. And if it's a big deal and you're in the world so long and can't sing, you know how long you try sing? And in a karaoke, people just come in a karaoke 6 months or 1 year ago. Becomes professional sing a long time. So why you was a big deal? In the back of your head you're a big deal. Why you take so long? You wait till rhythm done pan you. Or rhythm you wait pan for done pan you.
The bad enough they come on social media go like your blood clot done. With your motherfucker plank and them over there follow back at you. The bumbo clot idiot people them we are follow back at you and go on like say them have money and go on like say them live rich. Them not have nothing.
So what you want?
They don't even know them blood clot self. Some of them need to go find them husband and them man. Some of them need to go find them life. Some of
you lost your husband where you did have, you know. And you can't find no more man. And because you can't find no more man, You end up go buy a ring for married to man allegedly. Cause when me hear me I say, so you know. Cause me nah no proof. And that the man there one green card. But when you look on the type of woman they go marry to for green card, them say no. Hell no! I refuse this green card. Cause when I see the woman I'm going to marry to, I don't want to wake up with this lady tomorrow morning and see her face. So I will be refusing this green card. So I'm refusing to marry to you. MC. Speak my mind, people. Come to the end of this video, you know. Thanks for watching again. As you see me telling you, say me nah get up but turn on a light. See outside light right over my head, see the door there. But me just decide to done the video. Me nah get up. So people in the dark of the video, people in the pan screen of the video, you see me every day. So we just have to done the video, yeah, so. You don't want to hear the hard you hear what me I say. I know the hard you're poor. It's the lighting poor. Alright? So we'll come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching again. And soon in the new week, let's see what's the new week bring, because every day there's a different saga, a different chapter in social media. So it's a never ending story. No cure on the ball, so I don't want it to stop. This now gonna stop. If this stop, me I tell you my people, I tell you the honest truth. If this stop and these people continue to behave the way they behave, because they say them are going, you know, and I'm going like say it's not all about the money and the views, you know. And it's just like me and the rest. We come out and speak with truth. We are do it for money and views and likes. Them, like she, Marcia, where every day she in the news and with a different thing. It's all about the money and the views, so she and the likes. So it now go stop, because they are going to continue to behave like this, because they know we is going to come out at all times and it's going to help feed them pocket. Because right now, as I say, you say a share feed you and a share make we have money in our pocket. And right now, if you check Marcia YouTube channel, how long she did 4,000 ad? Who makes she reach 5,000 ad? We observe on TV, speak my mind, the latest, reasoning with chin, you name it. You know? Entertainment buzz, GT buzz, you name the whole of the channel them. How we make it there so we put money in your pocket, even your views gone now. It is evident, it is there. You understand? Check the past 3 months to now. You understand? So we put money in your pocket, and you put money in our pocket, and you find the sweetness like honey. So you're gonna continue to do what you do till it comes out at you. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Remember, watch the ads and remember the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. I'm out, people, and I cut my light cut off. Say, light they don't hide back house. Yeah. Just through my day I started the video, light catch me. Darkness catch me. But we are get the sun all day. Plug out the sun of darkness. But we not plug out the moon because we want light. I'm out.